And when it comes to actually picking a skill, if I was starting over right now, I will focus on the same 2 skills I started with over 10 years ago: video editing, especially short form videos, and sales. Listen to me when I say, if you just lock in for like 3 months and really become proficient in the both of these, you can do literally anything. If you can understand how to get attention and go viral and then convert those views into dollars with sales and marketing, you will have more opportunities than you know what to do with and be able to speed run your way to $1 million in almost any industry. I promise you, I put that on literally everything. Especially if you're young and have no expenses, these 2 skills are like a cheat code to life and 1,000 times more valuable than any college degree or certification you can go out there and get today. So look, man, this is your foundation. Everybody skips this, you know? They just try to take their measly $128, try to throw it into some random online business, announce to all their friends and put in their Instagram bio that